basically, this is a campaign, I am the solution, and the name of the vehicle we have given is Green Gaddi. Gaddi is the word we use for any vehicle in Punjabi, and we don't run any NGO for this thing. We have our own profession. I am a marketing and branding consultant. My co-founder Khushbu is a food technologist. But we have taken this initiative as our individual social responsibility, and we really request all vehicle owners to come out and take their own responsibility. In case you are not able to install this on your vehicle rooftop, at least adopt a plant. We really want the generation coming in future to come out with solutions, so that they should not wait for any authority. They should not wait for anybody coming and giving some solution for anything. The reason is for any problem we cannot help anybody in terms of execution. We can guide anybody. The government or any authority or any NGO or any social group can create an atmosphere of bringing out the solution, but they cannot execute it. Execution is in our hands. When you see greenery, especially in the morning walk, evening walk, when we go to any park or walk, so the greenery gives a very soothing feeling. It reduces our stress also. So the concept is it reduces stress as well as it reduces our carbon footprint. So whatever pollution we are creating from our vehicle, we are just trying to lower it a bit by installing all these plants. So we tried all the plants. We started from tulsi, people even, and after that, after a lot of R&D, we found that the only sand will not work. We created a mixture which includes a lot of minerals, which usually sand gives to plants. So this mixture retains moisture for a longer time and grab a little moisture from atmosphere also. And the plants are special species called cactus species and herbal species also. We have installed jade plant, snake plant, aloe vera, asparagus, ajwain even. And these plants needs a little watering. Twice or thrice a week they are happy. And obviously the solution has to be a very less maintenance mode, a less cost mode, so that anybody and everybody can adapt to the solution.